Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to link Instagram to Facebook. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app. After opening your Instagram app, on the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see your profile. Click on it. Here on your profile page, you'll be able to see various categories such as posts, followers, following, and on the bottom, you'll be able to see edit profile and share profile. Here you'll have to click on edit profile. After clicking on edit profile, here from the top to bottom, you'll be able to see various categories. On the first, you'll be able to see edit pictures or avatar, and on the second, you'll have your name, username, pronouns. Here on this page, right below public business information, you'll be able to see the option page. Click on it. Here you'll be asked connect your Facebook page. Now this is a feature that you can use to link your Instagram page to your Facebook page. Here you can either choose to create a Facebook page or connect to an existing page. Here I will be clicking on connect an existing page. You can also choose to create a Facebook page. Here if you have multiple Facebook pages, you'll be able to see them listed here. Since I only have one page, that is tech123, I will be connecting my Instagram page to tech123, and after that I will be clicking on done. And as you saw on the bottom, we have successfully switched page. And with that, you have successfully linked Instagram to Facebook. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to link your Instagram page to your Facebook page. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.